Ready, start. The above extract indicates that a significant object of the legislation is to provide for and recognize the rights of women to secure housing and to recognize the right of a woman to reside in a matrimonial home or a shared household, whether or not she has any title or right in the shared household. Stop. Allowing the Senior Citizens Act 2007 to have an overriding force and effect in all situations, irrespective of competing entitlements of a woman to a right in a shared household within the meaning of PMDB Act 2005 would defeat the object and purpose which the Parliament sought to achieve in enacting the latter legislation. Stop. The law protecting the interest of senior citizens is intended to ensure that they are not left disentitled are at the mercy of their children or relatives. Stop. Equally, the purpose of PWDB Act 2005 cannot be ignored by a slate of statutory interpretation. Stop. Both sets of legislations have to be harmoniously construed. Stop. Hence, the right of a woman to secure a residence order in respect of a shared household could not be defeated by the simple expedient of securing an order of eviction by adopting the summary procedure under Senior Citizens Act 2007. Stop para. This court is cognizant that the Senior Citizens Act 2007 was promulgated with a view to provide a speedy and inexpensive remedy to senior citizens. Stop. Accordingly, tribunals were constituted under Section 7. Stop. These tribunals have the power to conduct summary procedures for inquiry, with all powers of the civil courts, under Section 8. Stop. The jurisdiction of the civil courts has been explicitly barred under Section 27 of the Senior Citizens Act 2007. Stop. However, the overriding effect for remedies sought by the applicants under the Senior Citizens Act 2007 under Section 3 cannot be interpreted to preclude all other competing remedies and protections that are sought to be conferred by the PWDB Act 2005. Stop. The PWDB Act 2005 is also in the nature of a special legislation, that is enacted with the purpose of correcting gender discrimination that pans out in the form of social and economic inquiries in a largely patriarchal society. Stop. In deference to the dominant purpose of both the legislations, it would be appropriate for a tribunal under the Senior Citizens Act 2007 to grant such remedies of maintenance as envisaged under Section 2B of the Senior Citizens Act 2007 that do not result in obviating competing remedies under other special statutes, such as the PWDB Act 2005. Section 26 of PWDB Act empowers certain reliefs, including relief for a residence order, to be obtained from any civil court in any legal proceedings. Stop. Therefore, in the event that a composite dispute is alleged, such as in the present case, where the suit premises are a site of contestation between the two groups protected by the law, it would be appropriate for the tribunal constituted under the Senior Citizens Act 2007 to appropriately mold reliefs, after noticing the competing claims of the parties claiming under the PWDB Act 2005 and Senior Citizens Act 2007.